Hello, welcome to our channel for probability and statistics. In this video, we will talk about estimating the confidence interval of a variance. Say if we want to estimate a variance of the population, so we can use the sample variance S squared, which is a point estimate of the population variance sigma squared. And the chi-square, this statistic which equals the sample size minus 1 times sample variance and divided by population variance, has a chi-squared distribution with n minus 1 degrees of freedom if the samples are chosen from a normal population. So we can write chi-square between the critical value of chi-square at 1 minus half alpha and chi-squared value of half alpha. So the probability of this range is 1 minus alpha. So for example, if alpha is 0.05, so this statistic value between the range of chi-square for 0.975 and 0.025 is 0.95. So 0.95 is confidence level and alpha is significance level. So if you look at this curve, this is the chi-squared distributions density curve, and this shaded area is 1 minus alpha. This white area is half alpha, and this white area is also half alpha. These two value, chi-squared value, is for the critical value chi-square 0.975 and chi-square 0.025. So from the sampling distribution, and we do some mathematical manipulation, we can get the 101 minus alpha percent confidence interval for population variance is between this lower bound and upper bound. And the lower bound is sample size minus 1 times sample variance divided by chi-square value at half alpha. And the upper bound value is sample size minus 1 times sample square divided by chi-squared value at 1 minus half alpha. So these two values we have noted that they are critical value of chi-squared distribution with n minus 1 degrees of freedom, and leaving the area 1 minus half alpha and half alpha to the right in chi-squared density curve. So next we take a look at an example using confidence interval for the variance. So the example is the following are the weights in decograms of 10 packages of grass seed distributed by a certain company, and these are 10 package values. So the problem is find a 95% confidence interval for the variance of the weights of all such packages of grass seed distributed by this company, assuming a normal population. So if we want to get the variance of the weights of all such packages, which we want means we want to estimate the population variance. So this is the sample, and we can get the sample variance from this sample. So the sample variance formula and get about 0.286. Because the population is normally distributed, so we can get 95% confidence interval using chi-square distribution table at 9 degrees of freedom can find these two critical values for chi-square 0.025 and chi-square 0.975. These two values are 19.023 and 2.7. So the 95% confidence interval for the population variance is about 0.135 and 0.953 for these lower and upper bounds after we have filled in all the items in the formula. Thanks for watching and subscribing our channel.